Hello everyone, this is Carol
and Amy.
Coming to you from Something New with our weekly fashion update video, and boy do we have a lot to cover.
I'm excited about this one. I love this new line.
Gosh, when this arrived, every single one of my staff just went crazy, and our customers are loving this too. This is Baci out of Italy, and brand new line for us here at Something New, and gosh, just the fabrics are so amazing.
So, yeah, it's great. It's organic cotton, so it's organic cotton. Carol's top actually is a silk cotton blend on the back, also still organic.
Yeah.
It's just a really pretty detail on that top. The patterns that they do and some of their pieces are gorgeous. It's almost like a watercolor tie-dye.
That tie-dye trend, yeah, but done so elegantly that you wouldn't really look at it and say tie-dye, but she brings in those trends in a very elegant way, and the designer is out of Israel, but designs in Italy and produces in Italy too. So it's just so excited to have this in. So to break it down, each one of the pieces, a couple of them are printed, and two are actually solid navies to coordinate. So we're going to start with Amy's jacket. First of all, I do want to cover the fabric. The fabric is a French terry, 100% cotton, pre-shrunk. A lot of the edges are raw, so it's got a real edgy feel to it, but then within classic kind of designs. And so again, it's organic fabrics, and the silk cotton that's in kind of complements some of the pieces too are also organic. So just really neat fabric to start with to take you all the way through summer, because it's that cotton blend that's going to breathe.
This would be a great piece to travel with in the summer when it's chilly in the movie theater, when you're shopping and you need something to throw on.
Yeah.
You can really do a lot with it. It's cropped, so it does have pockets here.
Those are real pockets.
They are real pockets.
You can actually put something out.
So no pockets on the hips, no pockets here, ladies, but it does have pockets here. I'm wearing a size small, so it is pretty generous. It's meant to be oversized, boxy fit.
That's a good point. They are all, I'm wearing a small, I never wear smalls. So I am wearing a small too in this piece, and so they are oversized. Now the big trend out of Europe is oversized, so you can go larger if you want more fabric and more fit, but the big trend is, just these are supposed to be larger pieces and kind of boxy look.
But yeah, it's definitely not going to be a fitted tailored jacket.
No, but this is a full button down, and the buttons are kind of a gunmetal color. I love that they kind of put that athleisure look to the so it can be dressed up or dressed down. The sleeves have a little bit of just kind of a band at the bottom. Again, it's a French terry, so to explain what a French terry is, it's kind of a lightweight sweatshirt material that is really your cotton sweatshirt for summer. So just really cute. Amy, turn around, let's see the back. So just a really cute crop. It's got some detail on the back too, just going down. But again, it's white with a navy, a tie-dye kind of window pane look.
Yeah, they did a really nice job with the print on this fabric. It's really pretty.
I love it.
And then athleisure, these pants, I would call these an elevated sweatpants.
Yes.
Where you can go out of the house feeling like you're wearing your coziest sweats, but you look fantastic. These are so comfortable. They have pockets. They're a wide leg.
Elastic waist.
Yeah, it's a nice elastic waist, so you could wear something tucked into it and be really cute.
What size are you in, Amy?
These are a small, and I'm also 5'5". I do have some wedges on, but they hit me. So with tennis shoes, they would be right at the ground. The trend is for taller people to have more of a cropped, wide leg sweatpants, so really anybody can do this.
Yeah,
but
and these are a raw edge on the bottom. So I want to tell you all, if you're not 5'5", if you're 5'10", or 5 feet, you can still wear these, because if you're 5 feet tall, you can cut them off. It's a raw edge. So you can cut them off at the bottom to your length that you like them. You can wear them as a crop. What I'm probably going to do with these, I got these myself too, what I'm probably going to do, they're a little short to be wearing as a pant. So I'm going to cut them off about 3 inches and wear them as a crop full pant, which is all the trend right now, is that fuller, bigger pant right now. Yeah. Yeah, so adorable outfit. So Amy, just unbutton your jacket. It's adorable unbuttoned too. We put, it styles beautifully and matches perfectly with Simply's Navy, this line. So she's got Simply's Navy go-to classic tee on. You can do a tank top easily, but just to, you know, have something underneath so you can unbutton that jacket if you like to wear your jackets unbuttoned. Yeah, so adorable. And I have got my favorite piece. When I saw this piece, that's what sold me on the line. We have it in solid navy too, which you'll see in Amy in just a minute. But it's a high-low. It's reminiscent of what I actually built my boutique on, is kind of this funky stuff. But this is that French terry again in the front. The back has a silk cotton blend.
It's gorgeous.
And just some longer length to it, just so much
And it is sheer in the back. Not quite see-through. You could, Carol, I believe you're wearing a cami or a tank top.
I am wearing a Clara Sunwoo little tank, which so many of you have, is the little short tank I have underneath this. I don't really need it. If you're wearing a nude bra, you can definitely get away.
It's not so sheer that you can see through it.
Right.
It's just whatever your comfort level is.
Right. I did put a tank underneath just to show you. You could definitely cover up underneath also if you feel more comfortable doing it that way. But same sleeves as on the jacket, just it's got this little raw edge on it, the window pane, and it's adorable. It's just so cute, crew neck. So it's just, you could run to the grocery store or put a pair of heels on with this and really, and a navy pair of pants, and just look adorable. So for spring and summer. So we'll be back with another set of Baci. All right, we are back with
solid navy.
my same top, but in a solid. And this navy is such a dark, rich navy. It's so beautiful. It's Simply's Navy.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's a nice deep navy. Again, it's the same style that Carol has on. It's got the silk cotton blend in the back.
Sheer starts here. And Amy does not have a top on underneath, just a nude bra.
Correct.
So the navy is just a little bit more opaque.
Yeah, it's still sheer.
Yeah.
You can still kind of see through it.
And it just flows.
It does. It's gorgeous.
It's so fun.
It's again, you feel like you're at home wearing your coziest, comfiest sweatpants.
Yeah, but so cute.
But you look so put together, and you can really go anywhere with these tops.
So we've styled them, both of us, with jeans. I've got Tribal's longer skinny jean on, and then
This
Amy's
is the Brin.
new arrival.
Yep, the Jag, the Brin in white. They're a pull-on, so a pull-on waist. Really, they fit really well.
Everybody's loving these.
Yeah, they're a nice long jean. I like mine a little shorter. I do have them cuffed at the bottom.
She cuffed hers. We do have the Tribal pull-on, or is it? Yeah, it's the pull-on. That if you want a shorter little ankle look for someone that's more petite, we have that option too. But everybody's loving these, and I love it cuffed.
I do. I love them
cute.
cuffed, and then these shoes are to
Look
die
in the
for.
picture over to your left. That's one of our new arrivals, is the Carolina. It is flying out the door at Charleston Shoe. It's in a denim color.
Yeah,
no, is that the denim or navy?
This is, well, they call it navy, but it's also, it almost has a denim look to it.
Yeah.
So the front strap across your toe has an adorable little ruffle detail.
Yeah, so you could see that over on your left.
And it's, it's like almost like a distressed blue.
It's perfect.
It really is.
With this whole line.
But you can do a lot with it. It really goes with a lot of the other pieces we have in the store. But I love it. The heel's not too high, and then it has the elastic around the waist. It's just a solid navy.
Yeah, and machine washable, as all of our Charleston shoes are, so really, really cute. We're moving on to the cutest little new capelets. See you in a minute. We're back with the super fun brand new product for our store. It's a super sheer little capelet, and
Also beautiful.
yeah, so pretty. So we have the print, which is the abstract butterfly print. Great for gardeners. We have a huge gardening following. But then also we have some beautiful solids
really pretty colors.
Solid. And you can wear these like 4 or 5 different ways.
I think on the tag there might be 8.
Yeah, so a lot of different ways you can do this. So we'll show you how to wear these, but first we'll cover the colors. Amy is wearing the...
I have on, it's called the denim blue. It definitely has some navy in it. It's almost 2 shades of a blue, so a darker navy and then a lighter blue color. I have it over the Simply Go-To Classic Tee in navy, and again with the Jag jeans in the brim.
Yeah.
Charleston shoes.
And Charleston shoes again, that Charleston shoe in that kind of mottled navy really styles so beautifully with all these kind of different shades of navy that we have in. So really pretty. This coral is amazing. It's so pretty. We can, Amy, do you want to show how you can actually move?
Sure.
So she's wearing it asymmetrically right now. Yeah.
Easy.
So you can also wear that straight across. I might need to help a little bit there. So really, really cute. Again, if you're wearing a short sleeve, which, you know, everybody's stocking, including us, quite a bit this season, this is your arm coverage.
Yeah,
So,
great.
and it's so pretty, and it dresses it up. Turn around, let's see what the back looks like. So you've just got a really pretty back that's longer, and then you're straight across in the front, so just a little shorter look. And then we can also take it, and let me show you. You're gonna laugh. You can wear this as a swimsuit cover up too. Just bring your neckline down around your waist and just cover up the bottom half of
really
your
cute sarong.
swimsuit. Yeah, really adorable. And I have that in the pictures. But you can also just wear this as a. I'm just going to show this on Amy over this, but as a scarf too. So, because it's got that hole in it, we've got, you know, so you can wear it as a scarf also.
Yeah.
So really pretty in the solids, but another way to just kind of get a variegated look in a scarf look. So we've got the blue jean color, which Amy has on. And then here's a coral. We also have a really pretty, what was this, turquoise?
That is turquoise, yes.
Yeah, really pretty turquoise color. And all of them with white background. And then we also have a really pretty black. So you've got your little black tank dress for summer. Adorable way to kind of dress it up.
A lot of these will go with, you ordered quite a few sleeveless dresses from Simply that are hopefully coming in really soon.
Yes.
So this will all look great over a lot of those.
So onto the solids, which Amy is now sporting the turquoise. Yep. And this is...
You caught me checking the color.
Yeah, I have no idea what color this is, but it's gorgeous. Sky blue. And that just is so pretty for spring.
Really pretty with the tag of jewelry.
Yes, brand new tagwood, just styles perfectly with it. Then we've got a lot of other colors. We have a beautiful off-white, which is, we also have solid white, which a bright white, but the off-white is just gorgeous with a lot of our neutrals, which Erin featured on Instagram recently. Red, I mean, and that's a true red. That's really, really pretty. Okay, what color is this?
Denim blue.
Denim blue. Really pretty, kind of a soft blue jean. Okay. And I know we sold one of the corals. This is probably dark coral.
This is the dark coral.
Dark coral.
We sold the lighter coral already.
There's a lighter coral too that you'll see on our website. Black, of course, basic black, which is wonderful. And this navy is actually a perfect match for Clarice and Wu's navy. So lots of fun colors too. I think we actually sold an aqua color too, which is also on our website right out the gate, and a couple others went right away. So lots of really fun colors. These are what, $28.95?
Yeah, it's a great
$28.95.
Again, something great to travel with on an airplane. I mean, Carol showed you how you can do it as a scarf.
Roll it up. Yeah.
And you can use in your suitcase.
Yeah. Yes. It takes up so little space, so perfect travel. So we'll be back with more in just a second. So we've got a couple more arrivals that are from Parkhurst, and these are so pretty. They're brand new Cali poncho that are polka dots, and they're not just polka dots, they're reversible. So we've got a taupe and kind of a soft white on one side of these, which is so gorgeous. Really styles nicely with our mushroom and our new chocolate blue web sandals, super cute. And then also we have the black and white, so you can reverse it come summer. You might want to do that with a pair of white jeans. Either way, super cute. Again, it's just a simple poncho, open sides. You can see it in the picture over there. So adorable new style for Parkhurst. And then we also received in, again, you'll see the pictures over on your left, but a brand new color, Alaskan blue, so pretty. Pantone color of the year, so right on trend there. Peach cooler, just a really pretty soft peach color. It's not really loud or coral. It's really, really, as it sounds, peach cooler. It's just a really beautiful peach. And then we have restocked our white. We sell out of our white very quickly. It's kind of like that red at Christmas. So grab your white Kobe wrap while they're in stock. We have so much more. We have Lizette pants in and some new arrivals from Claris and Wu. So please stop by and see us. We would love to see you. I am finishing up with I put the crop jacket on with the wide pant in the Baci line just to show you a taller customer can wear a crop. This does cover your waistline even if you're tall, 5'10" like me, and I can live at this stuff. I love it. So come and see us. Try some of this fun stuff on. We'd love to see you.